Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put together this really cute baby keepsake binder. For the materials, you'll need a 2-inch binder, 20 different colored folders, scrapbook paper, post-it note tabs, some sort of tape or glue, return address labels, and a front cover page. First, open up one of the folders and stick a post-it note tab to the inside. Continue this with the rest of the folders, staggering the tabs with each of the colors. Then put the folders in the color pattern you'd like. Once you have your order, stick the return address labels to each of the tabs. I printed mine out with words like baby info, kindergarten, first grade, and so on. After that, put the folders in the binder. Then cut down the scrapbook paper to fit in the front cover. Take your front cover page and put the tape or glue on the back and stick it to the scrapbook paper. Put the scrapbook paper in the front cover. And that's it! This is such a fun gift for a baby shower and is really useful to track a kid growing up. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.